I'm jealous, I'm overzealous. When I'm down, I get real down. When I'm high, I don't come down. I get angry, baby, believe me. I can love you just like that, and I can leave you just as fast. But you don't judge me, 'cause if you did, baby, I'd judge you too.
Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So today I have a wig review for you, so let's just go ahead and jump right into it. So today I'm wearing a wig from Lwigs. Thank you so much for sending me this wig to review, and let me go ahead and give you guys the entire detail of what I'm wearing. Also, if you missed what I'm talking about, I will put everything in the description box as always. I am wearing the deep curly 360 lace wig, and it is Brazilian hair, and I have in 22 inches of course the deep wave, and it is 180 density. My cap color is medium, and I have a cap size of large. So number one, I really like the wave pattern of this hair. So out of the box, I thought it was going to be a lot curlier than this, and that's not what I was going for. And so I'm happy once you kind of just run your fingers through the hair, it ends up being a really soft wave. It definitely reminds me of like a beach wave type of hair. The wig at first did seem a little bit on the thin side, but once you go ahead and kind of run your fingers through it, it actually works out. I can't really see this wig having more hair than this because it's very lightweight. It does come with a pre-plucked hairline, which is yes, and also baby hair, of course. So actually this wig was probably the best hair that I have came across so far when it comes to baby hair. Like, it wasn't too long, and it was just the right amount of like of baby hair kind of in the front. I don't know how to really explain it, but it just worked very well. Typically with some wigs you will get baby hair that's just too thick in the front, and it just doesn't work out. This is a nice wig. The price is just right on par with every other wig that I've kind of looked at. As far as a negative I have with this wig, and of course it's probably just me, I don't know, I always have my one negative, and if you've been following me for a while you already know what I'm gonna say, is that this wig is small for my head, and I am wearing a large cap size. I cannot pull this up at all. I just cannot pull it up. As far as shedding and tangling, I have gotten some shedding I've gotten no tangles, but I've gotten some shedding. See, nothing right there, but I just got I just had 2 pieces over there. So we'll see how it goes. And so far it's kind of died down very quickly. So I think what I'm gonna start doing as well is just keeping you guys updated through the comments on like how these wigs are holding up. Just can give you guys just a, you know, just a quick, hey, this is what's going on, this is what I've gotten so far, because you do want to be spending your money on something that is going to last you, and I completely understand that. So as far as how I will maintain this wig and kind of keep just keep it nice looking, pretty much, is just putting it back how it was sent to me. So keep however the vendor sends you your wigs. That's the easiest thing. If I happen to throw like the plastic bag away or something like that, then I do have a thing of plastic bags, what do you call those, like freezer bags? Yeah, so like Ziploc freezer bags, and I try to keep at least something from the company. So this one came with a tag, which is perfect, and it has the information on it, it has the company names, and I will just, here's the netting that it came in as well. So what I actually like to do is go ahead and wash the wig, hang it dry, never blow dry or anything like that. Hang it dry so that the curls kind of come back, or the waves come back how they're supposed to, and then wrap it back in as best as I can, the netting that it was in, and then store it all back in the plastic bag. I have a feeling this is going to be a really easy wig to maintain. And also, I don't know if you guys know, I've been doing something a little bit differently when it comes to my parts. I've been just using Give Me Sun by MAC. It is a bronzing powder that I use on my face sometimes, so I just use it at my part instead of using like a liquid concealer or foundation. And so far I really like it. I think it just gives it a little bit more of a natural look. So let me know if you guys like that as well, or let me know how you guys do your parts too. Hope you enjoyed this wig review. I will put all the information, like I said, down below in the description box, and that's it. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like this video, and follow me on Instagram. I will put all that information down here at the bottom. So yeah, I will talk to you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.